Hello, everybody. I'm introducing myself. My name is Alejandra Manjarrez Mera. I study psychology and UNAD, and this subject is English A2. In this video, I will talk about how to make the lasagna recipe, but before I will answer a question. What were you doing last Christmas? My Christmas was beautiful. I always shared it with my mom and my dog. We went shopping in the morning. We liked to buy some clothes. We also went to buy dinner. This time is a lasagna and milkshake. Our plan was they wear new Christmas clothes, watch movie, and eat delicious. The next day we opened the present and we to the movies. I love my Christmas. Okay, continue in the lasagna recipe. The ingredients: 500 grams of mixed meat, 24 plates of cannoli, 12 lasagne, 300 grams of homemade tomato sauce, 1 onion, 200 grams of Sicilian cheese, 100 grams of grated cheese to gratin, salt and pepper, half a cup of oil. For the bechamel sauce, 400 milliliters of milk, 25 grams of butter, 25 grams of common wheat flour, salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Okay, continue the preparation. First, we make the filling. A little oil the pan to the fried meat, and salt and little pepper. Constantly move the meat until it is cooked, and the onion to the meat and the continue stirring until all the flavors come together. We finish by adding to the tomato sauce and stirring until and the ingredients come together. Let it rest. We continued with the pasta. Pasta is placed in boiling water is a large pot for 12 minutes. It stirs constantly to see if it's a really until the time is up and we leave it to rest. Meanwhile, we make the bechamel sauce. Put butter is a filling pan and solely and the milk, stirring constantly so that there are no lumps. After those two ingredients are combined, and pepper and walnut, a little salt, and stirring again and wait 2 bowls. We return with the pasta. We take out the really pasta and place in some cool water. Let it rest and we are going to assemble the lasagna in baking container. And we end up plating. First, we place a layer of pasta and base. Then we add a layer of meat and again add a layer of pasta and a layer of cheese. We return with a layer of meat. They can be 3/4 on the amount of pasta that we cooked. Finally, we add the bechamel sauce and the cheese to gratin it and the end of and the layers. And this is it. We bake as late as it for 15 minutes and that's it. We have a delicious recipe. Okay, thanks. Thank you. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.